Good people often wonder whether criminals will show them any mercy or have any feelings for them. My name is Leon Meiberg. I'm from C.O.B.R.A Defence International, also known as the Police Academy for Civilians. Imagine the following scene. You are walking to the ATM to go and withdraw cash. You have your bank card in hand. You take your bank card, you insert it into the ATM. Punch in your PIN code, select the amount of money that you want to withdraw, select that you want a receipt printed, and as you walk away from the ATM, you look at that receipt and you think to yourself, man, I need to get a new job. These guys are not paying me nearly enough. Now, criminals think about you as the ATM. This is their bank card. They will put this into your body with the same feelings that you would put your card into the ATM. Anticipation. As they walk away from you and you left bleeding on the ground, they will also feel the same feelings that you felt when you looked at that receipt. Disgust. Is this all this person could give me? Let's be very clear. Criminals have absolutely no feelings for you. They don't even regard you as a human being. They will do unspeakable things to you as many times as needed. If you are nice to them, that's not normally seen as cooperation. That is seen as weakness. Criminals prey on weakness. The opposite side is also true. If you're too aggressive with them and they have the upper hand on you, they will perceive it as arrogance and they will feel even less for you and they will do unspeakable things to you. That's probably the most difficult thing for most good people to grasp, that criminals have no feelings for you. To them, you're just an opportunity. They don't care that you're a nice person. They don't care that you go to church every Sunday. They don't care that you have a family depending on you or elderly parents depending on you. To them, you are just an opportunity. Now, if you want to effectively defend yourself, you will have to be able to flip the switch in your mind to become the predator if a criminal attacks you. And that's very difficult to do. I will talk a little bit about that in future videos, but for now, just know this. Criminals regard you as an opportunity. Nothing more, nothing less. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it, subscribe to our channel, and I will also leave a link to our website in the description below. On our website, you'll find information on our courses and other resources that we have available. Train hard, stay safe.